imagine your parent disks as blank check DNA on which you can transpose operating systems, software and applications, even fine-tune and bake in critical security settings. Then, those settings are locked in, with the VHD file isolated and untampered. Imagine differencing disks as effectively phantom clones. You can copy as often as needed. Each new disk is seen by a hypervisor as unique disks. Data is written separately from the original, so long as measures are taken to preserve the original VHD file.
On a sunny day you stole away with love's refrain. Left me here to linger in a lonely lane in Spain. Though the years are tears and life will never be the same, dreams are not forgotten in a lonely lane in Spain.